Okay, we got the first three reserrated. This one was pretty easy. This one, the serrations were completely gone, and we were able to put them back in. This one, we changed the serration profile and made it more reasonable. And here's the challenge for the day. These are worn down to nothing. So if you think you're going to use a ceramic rod or some sort of belt that's split into a tiny little belt to rebuild this knife, it's not going to happen. So I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to do this on the diamond wheels. Okay, I got you guys set up here. This is not going to be easy. What we have is we actually have two different serrations, or what's left of them. We got one wider serration that goes all the way up to here, and then we have the smaller deep little serrations up here. So the first thing I'm going to do, instead of trying to match these really shallow serrations, is I'm actually going to use the 1/2 inch wheel to cut them in deeper. And I'm going to do that twice, and I'll just let you guys follow along here. Get my angle down right. Is that okay for you? Yep, good. And I'm letting the knife drop down into the gully, and so I'm re-establishing where the serration needs to be as far as the spacing by letting the knife show me with the feel as it drops down into what's left of the valley of each serration. That's where I'm going to stop right there. And then I'm going to, so what we've done is we've cut them in, and then I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time. So I really want to get a good valley for these. And make sure they're all consistently far apart. But you can see how deep the serrations are. And so this isn't a nice shape for a serration. It's actually quite wide and deep. And so serrations aren't 180 degrees. So I'm going to take it over to the other wheel. Here we are on the 1 inch wheel. And then from here, and if we did that right, now we should have a good looking serration that goes the full length, and they're symmetrical and identical looking. And then up here we'll put in a different steak knife serration next. And here we are with the steak knife serration wheel. And I'm going to cut in the serrations. And I'm going to move to the next spot. Right, my wheel's in the way here. There you go, get out of the way. Now we have steak knife serrations up here at the top, and really nice clean scallops going all the way down to here. And then we'll just do the final deburr and polishing steps like I normally do right over here. flat on the back and light and gently. We're just letting the wheel do the work. It's removing all that loose material. Being very careful not to roll over onto the edge. You could also use a wire wheel, a Scotch-Brite belt, but the idea is that we're just removing that loose material, and then we'll give it the final buff step. And when you see that you have got all the burr removal done, you don't do any more than this. Now the serrations are on the wrong side. I don't know if this is going to slice or not. Oh yeah. Okay, so there you go. And I'll get you guys in here for a nice close-up. Hopefully we can get some good camera action. So this knife had absolutely no serrations, and we were able to cut those clean serrations back in and even put in a little steak knife serration up at the tip. So that's a full custom reserration of a knife that was beyond repair. And I hope you guys enjoy that. Hopefully that's showing up. I got some gunk to remove. Let me see if I can zoom in a little better. There we go. Some clean serrations. A little bit off on that little tooth right there. That's how you know it was made by a human. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Aloha and have a great day. If you need anything, please go to shop.currycustomcutlery.com.